so scared.
What's your name, sir? Do you have an address anybody we can call? Anybody?
Where did it come from?
It's like a flight. It should be like flyable unless it broke. So.
Right. Do they have rabies?
No, I don't think birds do.
I'm gonna use it as a pet.
Bats do, but birds, yeah, that'd be a badass.
Michelle, I'm gonna use it for a pet.
You know, he's got talents. You know that, don't you?
Don't do that.
Ah.
He was eating.
Sorry, buddy.
He was eating.
Sorry. We'll leave you alone.
Alright.
You continue what you're doing.
It's not hurt. I'm fine.
It's right there.
Is that bird right here?